Get ready for the ultimate showdown in our hands-on unboxing of the awesome ROG Phone 3. The upgraded Aeroactive cooler delivers more airflow. Next up is the newly designed Aero case. ROG Phone 3 is a complete package with ROG stickers, the ROG Hypercharge adapter, a braided USB-C cable, and an audio dongle all in the box. Now it's time to meet ROG Phone 3, the world's most powerful gaming smartphone. Check out the new AirTrigger 3, enhanced GameCool 3 cooling system, and triple cameras. It's time to start our journey. When you first turn the phone on, you'll be invited to join a mission with the infamous ROG character Horseman. He'll take you into the world of ROG to crush that mission. It has a 144Hz screen with lots of refresh rate settings. Newly enhanced X mode boosts system performance. On the back, you'll find iconic ROG logo of Aura RGB lighting. Tool up with the Aero case. Aeroactive Cooler 3 with new kickstand design. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the power of the mighty ROG Phone 3.
Like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel to get such regular content. Presentation by NV Gadget Viewer.